Hi friends, welcome to my channel Easy to Learn. Today I want to show you the use of Format Painter in MS Word. So many more tools are there in MS Word, but MS Word contains the Format Painter and its use is something different. So you can find it in Home tab that is located here inside of clipboard section. You have knowledge on copy, cut, paste, and why this one Format Painter. What is the use of Format Painter, or you can say what is the requirement of this Format Painter. So let me show you why this option is here and how to use it. So dear friends, I just have written few content here. This is the content. What is the use of Format Painter in MS Word? And here few of contents are there. I just increase the zoom size so that it will be visible to all. Notice it is a content Tapas Misra and Easy to Learn Format Painter. Here is the definition about the Format Painter. It is an important tool in MS Word which is used to copy the formatting of one selected text and apply it to the other text, so that we need not to format each and every content in our document. Suppose, let me show you, suppose this is the content Tapas Misra. I want to change the color of this content or name. Simple, I change this color, it looks red, and after that I want to apply bold, and I want to change this font name also. I want to see in different style. Suppose I want to see in different, like suppose I want to see something different style. I want to show you. Suppose this will be looking as this, in this way you can see, and this font size I just want to increase, right? You can see few works I have done to make this looks, right? It is not an easy task, and same formatting if you want to apply in your next immediate content or anywhere in your inside of your document, then you can apply. But it is not easy to remember what is the font you use and what is the color name, what is the size, and what are the styles you have applied over this modified text. So in this case you need not to bother about it. If you want to see the same style, same design in different heading or different content, you can apply. Then you just have to select this, which text formatting you want to copy, then go to Home tab, click on Format Painter. You just single click on Format Painter will allow to apply once, and double click on Format Painter will apply on any times in your document on any text, right? Suppose I want to double click over this Format Painter, left mouse button twice clicked, right? Then the mouse pointer will be changed and looks like a brush sign. Suppose I want to see same style in Format Painter header. See, Format Painter has been changed. Again, still mouse pointer looks like a brush. If I want to change the formatting option just like this, you just change it, it will be changed. If I want to see the important tool in the same format, then just drag over the content. This can be changed, and this is the way you can apply the formatting painter, or you can say Format Painter in your document. If you want to remove this Format Painter and get back the pointer as your mouse pointer, then simple click on that Format Painter, or you want to use it using shortcut key, press the escape key from your keyboard. Simply the Format Painter, whatever the option is activated previously, now this is a normal tool. If you drag over any content, there will be no change. So hope you like this video. If you really like this video, so don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.